Hello friends, very welcome back to Shinuki Pathshala. Today we are going to learn and write 10 benefits of yoga. So let's start the video. Helps your mind relax. Next one. Improves your flexibility. Next one. Controls your blood pressure. Next one. Builds muscle strength and balance. Next one. Boost your immunity. Next one. Helps your heart healthy. Next one. Perfects your posture. Next one. Improves your breathing system. Next one. Yoga reduces stress. And the last point is improves your good sleep. Thank you friends. This is the video about benefits of yoga. If you like our video, then please do like, share, subscribe our channel and hit the bell icon so that you can get all the notifications from this channel and keep supporting us. Thank you.